What if the world no longer had to hold its breath every time tension rises at the Strait of Hormuz? One bold proposal aims to do exactly that. Carve an artificial canal through the Hajar Mountains to create a new maritime corridor that reduces dependence on one of the most sensitive shipping choke points on Earth. More than a massive engineering project, this concept is a strategic reimagining of regional trade, energy security, and global logistics. By opening an alternative route to open water, the canal could ease pressure on Hormuz, strengthen supply chain resilience, and give Gulf shipping a powerful backup pathway in times of crisis. Cutting through harsh rock terrain on such a scale would demand extraordinary excavation, water control systems, and integrated port infrastructure. But the payoff could be historic. A new man-made gateway capable of reshaping commercial flows across the Middle East and far beyond.
The primary objective is control of the elevation points marked here.
I agree.
But we must consider the vulnerability. This is the critical juncture right here.
We must reroute all shipments through this channel immediately.
Agreed. Execute the plan.
This choke point remains our primary concern regarding the current activity.
Agreed. We need to ensure safe passage for these vessels immediately.
The boundary lines show seismic vulnerability right here.
We concentrate all resources on this sector by sundown.
Agreed. The data confirms this is the primary objective.
Mobilize the teams.
According to the tablet, we are right above the target zone.
Yes, and the map shows the wind currents are stable.
The screen shows a discrepancy at waypoint 3. Check the physical map.
Map confirms the screen is off by 2 degrees. We are tracking the target at grid reference 49er.
Reroute the convoy through the northern passage now.
Adjusting trajectory. The ETA remains unchanged.
This northern zone is critical for the logistics hub.
But the environmental impact studies for that are incomplete.
This canyon here, near the Jordanian border, is the primary choke.
We need immediate deployment here. The window is closing.
Reroute the...
The target is 2 clicks northeast near the ridge line.
Roger that. The coordinates match the topographical data right here. Confirmed. We'll be over the target in 5 minutes.
Địa hình ở điểm cao này rất quan trọng cho việc giám sát.
This convergence point is critical.
If we move the convoy through this channel, the radar signature here is unavoidable.
Yeah. We could divert them through here, use the mountains for cover.
We have a confirmed track here, moving south at high speed.
That's too close to the exclusion zone. We need immediate authorization.
The reading here shows a significant anomaly at these coordinates. I see it on the map. Let's mark that spot for closer inspection.
The target is located at these coordinates near the ridgeline.
Waypoint confirmed on the map here.
The activity at this hotspot is increasing.
Radar confirms the movement.
We need to secure the coastal access points immediately.
The data supports that.
As you can see, this gorge is the critical vulnerability in the defense line.
The target is entering the strait at high speed. We confirm the trajectory on the hard copy. Radar.
All resources must be routed through this nexus point.
I've got dispatch. This is Rescue 44. We are approaching the target location. Grid reference 34 Bravo. We are approaching the target area now. Confirmed.
We need to accelerate the convoy through the strait.
Confirmed. Watch the northern flank at the next nodal point.
Data suggests increased activity in that sector.
This is the key strategic area for the first phase.
And the blueprint.
This canyon provided the perfect cover for the operation.
And the sensor data confirms.
We have confirmed movement in the strait. Reroute assets to grid Charlie 4 immediately.
Sir, radar shows an unidentified contact closing.
This is the convergence point.
Agreed. We must proceed here.
Command, this is Rescue 4. We have visual on the target coordinates.
We are approaching the target zone here, crossing the ridge.
Confirmed on the digital overlay, the landing site.
We need to secure the eastern passage before 0400, but the weather window is closing.
We proceed.
Securing the coastal access points is critical for Phase 1.
The northern corridor provides a...
This specific canyon provides a natural choke point, Ambassador.
We have confirmed movement in the strait. The grid coordinates are live.
Radar signature increasing.
The nexus point is showing peak saturation.
We need to activate the secondary conduits immediately.
Confirmed, the coordinates match the avalanche site.
Roger that. Setting up for approach.
That's the target zone right there, cross-referenced on the paper map. Roger that. Maintaining course.
We cannot proceed with the original plan.
Agreed. Reroute to the secondary channel by 0.
If we develop this coastal area, we gain significant market access.
But the environmental impact here needs careful consideration.
This specific location, right here in the canyon, is critical for Phase 2. We need to prioritize stabilization.
The activity in the strait is increasing. We need immediate clarification on these radar contacts.
Confirmed. Channeling satellite feed now.
The weather window is closing. We proceed via the western ridge elevation.
We are approaching the primary ridgeline. Elevation is holding steady. Confirmed on the sectional chart, the LZ should be just beyond.
The convoy is approaching the critical junction.
We need to reroute the support vessel.
We need to secure this coastline first.
If we move the logistics hub here, we cut transit time significantly.
That aligns with the overall Antesia now, mapping the lesson. If we look closely at this
Right here, the radar shows a clear opening in the strait.
But the tablet data contradicts.
This is the breakthrough we needed. The data flow confirms our strategy for the entire region.
Okay, team, confirm coordinates. We have a visual on the...
We are here at the ridgeline, heading bearing 090. Confirmed on the digital overlay, looks clear.
The fleet is approaching the first choke point.
Confirmed. Trajectory holding steady.
Monitor the northern sensor array for unauthorized...
This is the key strategic area for the new hub.
We need to secure that access route immediately.
Yes, that aligns perfectly with Phase 1.
This canyon here, Point Blue 7, is the critical ingress route.
Agreed. We must secure it by nightfall.
The contact is approaching the strait.
Confirmed on radar, the trajectory is stable.
All units, prepare for intercept at grid coordinates.
That peak matches the waypoint.
Reroute the southern fleet immediately. The simulation predicts heavy resistance at the choke point.
We should prioritize this coastal sector for Phase 1.
I agree, but look at the logistics here.
The main hub connects every...
This specific canyon, marked here, is the critical choke point.
This contact is hostile. I want a full sensor sweep of the entire sector immediately.
Confirming coordinates on the tablet, we are clear for descent.
Affirmative, Captain. The wind is stable.